decline in the bee population globally. In Kenya, according to the Kenya Bureau of Statistics, is that despite the increased number of the beehives, there is a decrease in the number of bee colonies. And this is making Kenya in the near future to be an importer of honey, something that was never there. This is because of a decline in the bee population and the bee colonies that we have in the country. So this has happened due to so many factors, and those are the factors that we are going to handle today. Number one is the habitat loss. So you realize that there is an increased urban development, especially in the developed countries and also in the developing countries. There are also some human activities that are contributing to the decline, to the sharp decline of the bee population. For example, deforestation. This has been a thorn in the flesh when it comes to the growth and the development of bee colonies. So you realize that our forest has been destructed, and the forest was one of the ecosystem that was providing the forages and is also continuing to provide the forages, the flowers, and also maintain our water catchment areas. And these are what are providing the food for our bees. Number two is the improper apiary management. You realize that in as much as there is high practice of beekeeping globally and also in Africa, you realize that in as much as our farmers are still doing what we call beekeeping, there is poor management of our apiaries. So this ranges from a lack of skills. You realize that a farmer has started beekeeping, but they lack that skill for the management of the apiaries. So this ranges from pest and disease management in our apiaries. This ranges from how we maintain our apiaries. Are we slashing them? Are we removing the weeds around them? So that is very important for our apiary management. So due to lack of proper management in our apiaries, there is a sharp decline, and there will continue to be a sharp decline in our colonies. The third one is about the pesticides. Why are we talking about the pesticides? You realize that the pesticides contains some toxic chemicals in it. Leave alone the mode of action, leave alone the concentration, leave alone the formulation, leave alone the residual action of our pesticides. There are some toxic chemicals that are used to make these pesticides. So this has been a threat in the growth and the development of the bee colonies. Lastly, let's talk about climate change. Climate change has been a global problem of late. This has contributed to extreme weather conditions. We have floods, we have drought. So this has led to unpredictability in the flowering periods, the swarming periods, and has led to absconding of various colonies from their beehives. So this has also led to a sharp decline in the population of the bee population. So thank you so much. Next time we are going to discuss how we can mitigate all these factors that are contributing to the bee decline, the bee population decline. Thank you so much.